I got this awesome hoodie from Geek's Outfit, and while I'm wearing it, I thought it was the best moment to talk about the Demon Core model that I created. For legal reasons, I need to clarify this is not a real Demon Core. These two silver parts represent the beryllium half-spheres, and this is the plutonium core, 8.9 centimeters in diameter, and originally weighed about 6.2 kilos. However, this is just translucent PETG. And if I scream loud enough, the plutonium goes supercritical, and if you listen closely, a little Geiger counter effect is happening. Let me give you a tour of all the parts. The center part is just a ball, a sphere that I printed, and wrapped a programmable LED strip around it. Then encased it with a little hole at the bottom where the cable can come out. The LED strip is powered by an external battery. The Geiger counter effect is just made by this buzzer here. The sensor is just a sound sensor, all powered by this little guy here, an Arduino Nano. I've soldered all the connections here on this proto board, resistors here for the LED strip to control the current, and all these guys are just joined together for common ground connections and common voltage connections. So we can put it all together. All of these parts were 3D printed and designed by me, but generally it's actually a very simple thing. They're just spheres, some of them with holes. Let's put it all back together. Ta-da! I built this Demon Core model, but how did I program it to light like this and to activate when the lid bangs accidentally from it or if I scream too loudly? Let me give you a quick guide. Ultimately, I have 4 inputs or 4 points to control. I have the sound sensor, which is an analog input. I have the buzzer, which makes the Geiger counter sound effect. And I have the LED strip in pin 4. I have to define a couple of parameters and had to mess around a little bit with the sensor calibration. But ultimately, the code is quite straightforward. If the sensor value reaches above 100, a few things are going to happen. I've set all the buzzer tones to be at 300, just something that I noticed that was quite consistent with the classical Geiger counter. The LED strip lights in blue, and during that time, the buzzer will release a sound with a randomized range value of seconds. It's quite short, because that's kind of the sound effect of a classical Geiger counter. Then the LED will flash dark, as in it's not going to be lit up. And again, randomized duration of the buzzer. The LED will then light in yellow, random duration of the buzzer, over a range of limits that I tested that sounded very good. And finally back into black again, i.e. no color. Are there better ways of coding this? Probably. But I was really happy that I was able to do this myself. Of course, ultimately, else statement. If the sensor value is not above 100, it just remains dark. I wish you the best of luck in your own projects.